GameStop rated as 3 hold at Zach rank before the earnings next week on Tuesday after hours. What's that mean? We're gonna discuss this in today's video. We have to discuss as well AMC because it's holding before the resistance that we discussed last week around the $3.62. So before we dive deeper, guys, just remember all we say right now is not a financial advice. Always do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. And of course, this video is for educational purposes only. So this is out of the way. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe because we always go live every day. Tomorrow we're gonna go live to discuss AMC and GameStop and discuss the really good jump that we got for many stocks that have FDA approval. Last time we got a really good hunt for Chase, and he just took APLD, a nice trade for this stock that we did many update for it last time after we broke the 13. As you see here, we went around the 1490 and we almost went around the 19. So we did major update once again. APLD was one of the top trade in the last few weeks because we have major news dropping for this stock, and of course we cut this breakout before it happened and before the breakout around the 15. So we always do update for this, guys, in the link comment section below to our Discord and Bleacher. So let's get right to it and discuss AMC and GameStop, guys. GameStop looking fantastic right now with this news or this announcement from Zach Rank for actually updating GameStop as a whole. So it's not completely bad because it's in between the sell and the buy rank for GameStop. Because if we are on the rank 2, is not completely buy, but it's strong. It's not strong buy, but it's a buy. But in the middle is me between a hold or between a sell and a buy. So it's really good before the earnings. And this is what we see, guys. We have huge anticipation before the earnings, plus we don't have many confidence as well for the buyers. That's why we have a little pullback from the 37.50 and anticipation before the earnings. So how we anticipate that movement before the earnings? Because we got the 29 or the 25.70. This is the current support right now for GameStop. So let us go just very quick for AMC. Then we're gonna discuss what's the game plan for GameStop on Tuesday after hours, or even for tomorrow for GameStop. For AMC, guys, we don't have earnings. However, we have anticipation, the same for GameStop, because we have the same movement. The price jumped up, then pulled back, and now consolidating sideways over the $3.10. As we discussed before, we have a $1 range for AMC between the buyers and the sellers, and now we need to break the $3.62 to have a retest for the 4 and go toward the 460 and the 555. As we discussed before, the most important level for AMC. The bottom is still around the 245. Now for GameStop, as we discussed earlier, 25.70, it is the current support. The current resistance around or below the $31. So what we should expect before even the earning on Monday. Tomorrow, guys, we need to break the 31. If we have this breakout at the market open, will be the best case scenario for GameStop to break the 31 and go near the 37. We don't have to break even the 37, but getting near the 37 will give us a good sentiment for GameStop earnings. And of course, the breakout for the 37.50 should happen during the earnings toward the 47.26, and the other level it is around the 63 and 80 dollar. So for now we still have anticipation mode. We have two resistance, the 131, the first one is the 31, the second one is the 37.50. The current support is the 25.70, where we should hold before the earnings, because if we broke it will be a bit of weakness. Of course, if we held it, is mean we got a shot for a breakout toward this current levels for GameStop during the earnings on Tuesday after hours. So we got only 2 days left for this movement to happen. So make sure to notified on your YouTube channel in order to be notified once we go live, because we always go live for GameStop, AMC, and not just those stocks. We discuss many stocks like before WBuy that pumped and dumped and pumped again. We got many stocks that jumped again as well for IN, one of the pharmaceutical company that did really great last week, 55%. So as you can see here, guys, we discussed many stocks that have many news dropping hot. Maybe we got another ones. Always we got a list on watch list updated every time in the pre-market and our Discord and Bitcoin. After that, we do the updated levels for the market on our YouTube 30 minutes before the market open. Thank you for watching. Have a nice weekend and see you by tomorrow.